Hit refresh in January and help your body feel its best by eating more Get Fit meals. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to make this delicious steak salad with green goddess dressing, using better-for-you ingredients to stay under 500 calories. To get started, I'm going to whip up a lighter version of the traditional green goddess dressing. Swap plain Greek yogurt for mayonnaise to save some serious calories, and add your favorite fresh herbs like Italian parsley, dill, and basil, and a couple tablespoons of sliced green onions, some garlic, and some salt and pepper. Just blend that all together and pop it in the fridge. And now for the star of the salad, the steak. This is about 4 ounces of flank steak that I'm seasoning with a mix of salt, pepper, and chipotle chili powder to kick up the flavor. I've got a little oil heating up in a cast iron skillet, which is a really great way to add a nice sear to your steak. Flank steak is a nice lean cut of beef that packs a big punch of protein for muscle growth and recovery. While that's resting, I'll toss together all of my greens. This is a mix of baby spinach and spring mix, along with 3 cups of shredded Brussels sprouts, which are an excellent source of vitamin C, great for your immune system. Add some shelled edamame for a little more protein, fiber, and heart-healthy fats. And some cooked quinoa for the perfect balance of whole grains. And now let's put it all together. Layer on some thinly sliced steak, a handful of croutons, and of course drizzle it all with some of that gorgeous green goddess dressing. With all the protein and good-for-you ingredients, this salad would be perfect anytime you feel like fueling up with a Get Fit meal. Find this recipe and other Get Fit meals in Hy-Vee Seasons magazine or on Hy-Vee.com. For more tips to keep you and your family healthy, ask your local Hy-Vee dietitian.